For over 30 years, Rolls-Royce's Trent engine family has quietly powered the rise of global aviation. From the Airbus A330 to the Boeing 787 Dreamliner and the mighty A380, Trent engines have become a cornerstone of long-haul air travel. But this isn't just a story about turbines and thrust, it's about engineering excellence, record-breaking reliability, and the fight to stay relevant in an industry that demands constant evolution. The Trent engine story began in the late 1980s as a continuation of Rolls-Royce's RB211 engine program. Building on that foundation, the company developed the Trent 700, which entered service in 1995 aboard the Airbus A330. It was a turning point, not just for Rolls-Royce, but for airlines looking for a fuel-efficient, high-thrust solution for medium and long-haul routes. Cathay Pacific was the launch customer, and by the end of the 1990s, the Trent 700 had claimed roughly 40% of the A330 engine market. Rolls-Royce didn't stop there. Just 1 year later, in 1996, the Trent 800 launched for Boeing's 777, securing a massive share of that market as well. It was clear. The Trent family wasn't just growing, it was dominating. Throughout the 2000s, the Trent family expanded rapidly. The Trent 500 powered the Airbus A340-500 and 600, and the Trent 900 was selected to power the world's largest passenger aircraft, the Airbus A380. Then came the Trent 1000 for Boeing's cutting-edge 787 Dreamliner, featuring even more efficient engine cores and improved bypass ratios. But Rolls-Royce wasn't done. In 2015, the company rolled out its most advanced and efficient engine yet, the Trent XWB, designed exclusively for the Airbus A350. This powerhouse delivered a 15% fuel efficiency improvement over earlier models and quickly became the best-selling wide-body engine in history. As the A330neo was developed, Rolls-Royce introduced the Trent 7000, blending the proven Trent 700 with modern XWB technology. The numbers behind the Trent family are nothing short of staggering. Since the first Trent engine entered service, the family has logged over 200 million flight hours and has transported more than 3.5 billion passengers. A Trent-powered aircraft now takes off or lands every 3 seconds. And these aren't just numbers, they represent reliability, performance, and trust from airlines across 6 continents. Fuel efficiency across the family has steadily improved, with each generation outperforming the last. Today, all Trent engines are certified to run on 100% sustainable aviation fuel, a critical milestone as the industry moves toward decarbonization. That makes them not just efficient, but future-ready. One of Rolls-Royce's most revolutionary decisions wasn't about engineering, it was about business. With the launch of the Trent family, the company introduced its Total Care program, a fixed-cost, hour-based engine maintenance service. Instead of charging airlines per repair, Rolls-Royce charges based on engine use, aligning their financial success with engine reliability. This model gave airlines confidence, stabilized costs, and created long-term partnerships that went far beyond the sale of an engine. Of course, it hasn't all been smooth flying. In recent years, some Trent engines, particularly the Trent 1000 and the higher-thrust XWB-97, faced issues with wear and tear in high-temperature and high-dust environments. Several airlines, including British Airways, Emirates, and Virgin Atlantic, reported unscheduled groundings and maintenance delays. But Rolls-Royce acted quickly, investing over £1 billion into engineering fixes, improving durability, and boosting on-wing time. These efforts were successful enough to restore airline confidence and protect the Trent's reputation. Looking ahead, Rolls-Royce is preparing for the next leap in propulsion, the UltraFan. This new geared turbofan engine, currently in testing, promises up to 25% better fuel efficiency than today's Trent engines. Using lightweight composite materials, a variable pitch fan system, and advanced aerodynamics, UltraFan is designed to be scalable for both wide-body and single-aisle aircraft. It's a bold bet on the future, and one that could keep Rolls-Royce at the forefront of aviation innovation for decades to come. So, what's the verdict on the Rolls-Royce Trent family? After more than 3 decades in the sky, it remains one of the most successful and respected engine programs in the world. From its humble start powering A330s to dominating next-gen aircraft like the A350, the Trent family represents a gold standard in engineering, efficiency, and resilience. It's powered billions of journeys, survived intense industry pressures, and now leads the way into a more sustainable future. Whether you're flying on a Dreamliner, an A380, or an A350, you're riding on the legacy of Trent. Are you excited for what UltraFan will bring? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more deep dive aviation content.